if I'm being paid for every single time I tell people that their agreement should be put in writing and signed by all the parties, I would be a billionaire by now, believe me. Welcome to Law in Plain Terms, where I simplify the law for you to understand it. And today, I'll be talking very briefly on written contract and what it means. Written contract is a document that encompasses the rights, duties, terms and conditions and responsibilities, obligations of the parties to an agreement. And when that contract has been signed, it becomes legally binding on all parties. It provides security to all the parties involved. Now, there are so many cases where people enter into agreement and then they fail to put it into writing simply because they don't want to involve a lawyer or they don't want to pay the legal fees involved. And I tell them that no, it doesn't work that way. You should always ensure that you have a lawyer on standby so that the lawyer can prepare whatever agreement you want or whatever contract you want, or review the contract as the case may be. For example, the issue in cases of landlord and tenants, where the landlord presents the tenancy agreement to the prospective tenant. The tenant, in a bid to move into the house because he is impatient, he just signs or executes the agreement without even taking it to his lawyer or sitting down and going through the fine lines of the agreement patiently. And then in the long run, in the future, he begins to regret why he did not have that patience of 1 or 2 days to review that agreement and ensure that it reflects his own ideas. No. Now, this doesn't also is not also limited to landlord and tenant. Cases of service agreement, cases of land purchase, cases of hire purchases. There are so many times that you enter into agreement with somebody. Please do not forget that putting your agreement into writing saves you in the long run, in the future. It saves you from tears, money, and regrets. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.